Hello everyone, I'm Nadine, owner of NG Platinum Homes, and we're here in our spring project, and I wanted to show you some updates and what's happening here. So I'm right here in the master bathroom. As you can see, I'm standing in what will be the shower. We are in the middle of waterproofing. We always use Schluter systems. That's great for waterproofing. We are putting in a floating bench here. Which is going to have some lights underneath. It's a great bench idea to make it floating because it makes for ease of cleaning, and it's slim and trim, so it's great for the design aspect. We have a very large niche here. It's not a very overly large shower, but they did want a large niche. So as you can see here, we have a very tall niche that's going to give them plenty of room for all of the storage of large shampoo bottles and everything. And we added in a glass wall here. To open it up to make the shower seem larger. This was closed off before and it seemed kind of dark and dingy, so that's going to help with that a lot. We can go around to the other side and take a look at where the freestanding tub is going to be. So here on the other side of the shower is where the freestanding tub is, and if you recall in one of my previous videos I talked about there was a very, very large garden tub here with a very large surround which really impeded on the walking area. So as you can see here, it really freed up the space. And putting in the freestanding tub here with a really beautiful wall mount tub filler is going to be absolutely beautiful. We have some really nice accent marble tiles here to kind of give it a little bit of a different effect that's going to match the tiles here that are on the accent wall. And then instead of using a regular baseboard, we're going with this beautiful marble baseboard that's going to go all the way around to match the tiles that are here on the floor, on the wall, and in the shower. So that's it for the updates today. Stay tuned for more from this project.